Yo, what's poppin', everybody? We are going back to another trade review. This is a breakdown that happened a couple of months ago, and I actually called this on live, so people saw me in real time take this trade and win the trade. Let's get into it. Let's go straight on the charts. All right, family and friends, as you guys see, we have a huge influx of selling pressure to the downside. And now, you guys remember, if you guys seen my other videos, all we're looking for is a long push, a high to be made, a low to be made, and a high to be broken. That way we can take that trade and retest and continue to the upside. So let's wait until we find that right here. So as you see, we make a low, make a high, break that low. Okay, we want to break this high if we want to go for longs. Failed high, and then we just break this low. Now at this point on the live stream, I was getting pretty excited because it's looking strong for a long right here. If we break this high, chances are we're gonna be traveling up for a little bit, or temporarily, at least long enough for us to win the trade. And also, what are we gonna have that supports this as well? We have a fair value gap that is right here. That is always a good sign for a reversal. Now, all right, so price goes ahead and makes this move to the upside. We hesitate for a little bit, and then we failed to make a low, but that is a good sign as well, because that means that there is a lot of buyers in the market. And if we break above here, chances are we have a good chance of a long, I'm sorry. Okay, boom. We break this high right here. Now, what is going to be my entry point? And when it comes to choosing demand zones, if there is two right next to each other, I'm going to go for the bigger one, not the smaller one. Here's what the second demand zone will look like, and if I had to put my stop loss below one of them, it would definitely be below this one, because I do think that if we are going to retest, it's not going to stop just right here. It's probably going to go deeper into that zone. Also, because if I chose this right here, my stop loss would still be below here, meaning that my one-to-one would take longer to hit. I want to make sure I'm in and out as clean as possible, so I set my position to get tapped in right here. And it seems like I also had my fair value gap right here and not below it. So this is where the fair value gap actually was in the picture. I'm going to let price play out. We tap in, and the rest is history, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, no crazy strategy, no crazy indicators. Just watch what price is doing. It's going to tell you exactly where it needs to go. On that note, I will see you later, baby.